Welcome to the largest landholding on Chevron Island, a magnificent waterfront residence offering unparalleled luxury and exclusivity. This rare gem sits on an expansive 2,024 square metre block with a coveted 60 metres of pristine main river frontage. Positioned perfectly to embrace the coastal lifestyle, this northeast-facing property captures breathtaking views of Bud's Beach and the sweeping city skyline. Immerse yourself in the vibrant Gold Coast lifestyle, with easy access to the Broadwater, sandy beaches, cafes, restaurants, nightlife, and cultural hubs. Designed by renowned architect John Lee, this single-story butterfly-designed residence exemplifies modern elegance and sophistication. Constructed with a full concrete slab, including the roof, the home features a crisp white palette that highlights bespoke, imported, and handcrafted details. Step inside to discover a light-filled interior with seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Frameless glass doors retract into wall cavities, enhancing the connection to the expansive alfresco areas. Whether you're hosting a gathering or enjoying a quiet evening, you'll have your choice of covered or open air settings. This home also includes a state-of-the-art kitchen with Miele and Smeg appliances, a butler's pantry, and a separate laundry. Indulge in outdoor living with a 15-metre saltwater infinity edge pool. The property also boasts a private 12-metre pontoon, a boardwalk, and a well-equipped outdoor kitchen featuring a built-in barbecue and granite countertops. Retreat to the master suite, a sanctuary with its own wing, walk-in dressing room, and an ensuite crafted from luxurious Korean stone. Enjoy the finer things in life with a temperature-controlled 280-bottle wine room, a dedicated study, and spacious family areas. This exceptional residence is not just a home. It's a statement of refined opulence in the heart of the Gold Coast's most exclusive area. Discover the ultimate in luxury and lifestyle on Chevron Island.